Here's what we'll cover. 1. The recall warning. 2. What the pinion yoke is. 3. How to check your VIN. 4. Getting a free repair. 5. Claiming reimbursement. 6. Trusted resources. 7. Why this matters. And 8. Next steps. If you own a 2005 Dodge Ram 1500, or if you're considering buying one, this message is specifically for you. It contains critical information that could impact your safety and your vehicle's reliability. We understand that owning a truck like the Ram 1500 comes with a sense of pride and dependability, but it's essential to be aware of potential issues that might arise. Stop scrolling. This is urgent. This isn't just another video. It's a vital alert regarding a significant safety concern affecting a large number of these trucks. We want to ensure you have all the facts so you can take the necessary steps to protect yourself and your investment. In 2015, Chrysler recalled over 250,000 of these trucks. This wasn't a minor service bulletin, it was a full-blown recall due to a potentially dangerous flaw in the vehicle's design. The recall affected a significant portion of the 2005 Dodge Ram 1500 production run, so the chances are high that your truck could be included. For a major safety defect, a problem so serious, it could lead to catastrophic consequences while you're driving. This isn't about minor wear and tear, it's about a fundamental flaw that needs immediate attention. The rear axle pinion yoke can fail without warning. This critical component is responsible for transferring power from the drive shaft to the wheels, and when it fails, it does so suddenly and without any prior indication. This isn't a minor issue, it's a potentially life-threatening problem that demands your immediate attention. Ignoring this recall could have severe repercussions for you and others on the road. If it breaks, you could instantly lose power to your wheels, leaving you stranded and vulnerable in the middle of traffic. Imagine the scenario. You're driving down the highway and suddenly, your truck loses all momentum, risking a crash. The sudden loss of power can cause you to lose control of the vehicle, increasing the likelihood of an accident, especially at high speeds. Many owners still don't know their truck is affected, even years after the initial recall was issued. This is often due to outdated contact information or simply overlooking the recall notice amidst the daily influx of mail. Especially if you bought it used from a private seller or a dealership that may not have properly addressed the recall. The responsibility often falls on the current owner to ensure all safety recalls have been performed. Or miss the original recall notice. These notices can easily get lost in the shuffle, especially if you've moved or updated your address since purchasing the truck. The risk hasn't gone away, and the potential for failure remains as high as ever, regardless of how well you maintain your truck. Time and usage only exacerbate the problem, and this defect won't fix itself. Ignoring the problem won't make it disappear, it will only increase the likelihood of a dangerous and costly breakdown. The drive shaft could detach, potentially striking the ground and causing further damage to your vehicle, or even creating a hazard for other drivers, causing total loss of control. This sudden and unexpected event can be incredibly frightening and put you in a very precarious situation. Here's the good news. Despite the severity of the issue, there's a straightforward solution available to you. The fix is 100% free. Parts, labor, and inspection. You won't have to pay a single penny to have this potentially life-saving repair performed. Stellantis, formerly Chrysler, the manufacturer of your Dodge Ram 1500, is taking full responsibility for this defect. Is still honoring this recall, regardless of how long it's been since the original announcement. They are committed to ensuring the safety of their customers and the reliability of their vehicles, no matter your truck's age or mileage. Whether your truck has been meticulously maintained or has seen its fair share of wear and tear, you are still entitled to this free repair. Today, I'll show you how to check if your truck is affected by walking you through the process of using your VIN number to access the official recall database, how to get it fixed by scheduling an appointment with your local dealership, and what to expect during the repair process, and even how to get reimbursed if you already paid for this repair out of pocket before the recall was widely publicized. Don't ignore this. This is a critical opportunity to ensure your safety and the safety of those around you. Your safety and your wallet are on the line. Taking action now can prevent a potentially dangerous situation and save you from unexpected expenses down the road. Let's get started. We'll guide you through each step of the process, making it easy for you to take control and address this important safety recall. I'm Mario, solo content creator here at the Speakers Creator Hub, and I help beginners create evergreen content. Let's break down the problem and understand exactly what's going on with this recall. We're going to take a closer look at a specific component and why its failure can lead to some serious consequences. It's important to understand the mechanics behind this issue so you can appreciate the importance of getting it resolved promptly. The recall centers on the rear axle pinion yoke. This is a crucial part of your truck's drivetrain, responsible for transmitting power from the driveshaft to the wheels. It's a seemingly small component, but it plays a vital role in ensuring your vehicle moves as it should. It's a U-shaped bracket that connects your driveshaft to the rear axle. Think of it as the keystone in an arch. If it fails, the entire structure is compromised. This connection needs to be robust and reliable to handle the torque and stress of everyday driving. If this part fails, and unfortunately, the original part is prone to failure under certain conditions, the driveshaft disconnects. This is not a gradual process. It's a sudden separation that can have immediate and potentially dangerous effects, and you instantly lose power to the wheels. Imagine accelerating onto a highway or navigating through traffic, and suddenly your vehicle is no longer responding to the accelerator. This isn't a slow wear issue. It's not something that will gradually degrade over time, giving you a heads up. It can break suddenly with no warning. One moment everything is fine, the next you're dealing with a complete driveline failure. A broken yoke can cause the driveshaft to drag or whip under your truck, potentially causing even more damage as it flails around, damaging fuel lines, brakes, or other critical components located under the vehicle, or even causing a loss of control, especially if the driveshaft gets caught on something. Imagine this happening at highway speed. The sudden loss of power and potential for the driveshaft to cause further damage creates a very dangerous situation. The fix? What's the solution to this potentially catastrophic problem? Replace the weak yoke with a stronger, redesigned part. This updated component is engineered to withstand the stresses that caused the original to fail. It's a simple repair that prevents a catastrophic failure. A relatively quick and inexpensive fix can save you from a world of trouble down the road. That's why this recall is so critical. It's not just about inconvenience, it's about safety and preventing a potentially life-threatening situation. Don't wait for a warning sign, there might not be one. Take proactive steps to ensure your vehicle is safe and reliable. Wondering if your truck is on the recall list? It's easy to find out. Grab your 17-digit VIN. It's on the dashboard by the windshield, the driver's door jamb, your registration, or insurance card. Double-check the number for accuracy. Go to NHTSA.gov or Mopar.com and enter your VIN in their recall lookup tool. In seconds, you'll know if your truck has an open recall. Don't assume a previous owner fixed it. Verify for yourself. If your truck is clear, you're good. If not, you're eligible for a free repair. This 2-minute check could save you thousands and keep you safe. Don't skip it. Do it now. Peace of mind is just a click away. If your VIN shows an open recall, here's what to do. Call your local Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, or Ram dealer. Only they can do the free recall repair. Give them your VIN and mention Recall P77. Schedule an appointment. They'll inspect your pinion yoke for free. If it's faulty, they'll replace it with a new factory-approved part. No charge for parts or labor. The process is quick and straightforward. No hidden fees, no upsells. Once done, your truck is safer and ready to roll. Don't delay. Get it fixed before disaster strikes. Already paid for this repair out of pocket? You might get reimbursed. Federal law requires automakers to pay you back if you fix the defect before the recall. Gather your repair invoice and proof of payment. Make sure it lists the pinion yoke replacement. Contact your dealer's service manager and explain you want reimbursement under Recall P77. They'll submit your paperwork to the manufacturer. Be patient. Processing takes time, but if your documents match the recall, you should get a check. Don't leave money on the table. If you paid for this fix, claim your refund. Even years later, you're still eligible. It's worth the effort. Get what you're owed. For recall info, trust only official sources. NHTSA.gov is the government's vehicle safety hub. Use their VIN tool for recall status and details. Mopar.com is the manufacturer's site, offering recall lookups, dealer locators, and online appointment scheduling. Both sites are free, secure, and always up to date. Don't rely on rumors or social media. Get facts straight from the experts. NHTSA gives you oversight and complaint options. Mopar connects you directly to the people who built your truck. Use both for a complete, accurate picture. Your safety is too important for guesswork. Check these sites first, every time. Bottom line, don't panic, but definitely don't wait. This isn't something to put on the back burner. Procrastination could lead to serious consequences, and we want to help you avoid that. This recall has no expiration date. It's not like a coupon that vanishes after a certain time. You're entitled to a free fix, no matter how long it's been since the recall was issued. This is a manufacturer's responsibility, and they are obligated to provide the necessary repairs at no cost to you. If you just learned about it today or even years from now, you're still covered under the terms of the recall. The offer for a free repair stands firm. Don't let anyone, especially a service advisor trying to upsell you, tell you it's too late or that the recall has expired. That's simply not true. Share this crucial info with friends or family members who own a 2005 Dodge Ram 1500. They might be completely unaware of this potentially dangerous issue. They might not know about the recall, and your simple act of sharing could make all the difference. A quick message, a simple phone call, could save them from a dangerous breakdown on the side of the road, potentially in a hazardous location, or save them from an expensive repair bill that they shouldn't have to pay in the first place. By acting on this information and getting the recall addressed, you protect your investment in your vehicle. More importantly, you protect yourself, your passengers, and everyone else on the road who shares the highway with you. Check your VIN on the dashboard or door jamb to confirm if your truck is affected. Schedule the necessary repair with your local dealership as soon as possible. And don't hesitate to claim reimbursement for any related expenses you may have already incurred. Take these simple, proactive steps for your safety, your financial well-being, and your overall peace of mind. Get your truck thoroughly checked by a qualified mechanic. Get it properly fixed with the correct replacement parts, and drive with the confidence that comes from knowing you've taken care of a potentially serious issue. Your Ram 1500 deserves the best possible care, and so do you as its responsible owner.